In this part of Python for Auditors and Accountants, we'll show you how to write your first program. First thing you want to do is open up Visual Studio Code and create a new file. You can create a new file by clicking New File here at the start, right-clicking in here, clicking New File, or even doing File, New File. You're going to want it to be a Python file. All Python files end in the suffix .py. Whenever you learn something new in the world of programming, there's a concept of getting to Hello World. Achieving Hello World basically means that you've mastered enough of something to be able to use it. The Hello World of machine learning, for example, is often known as the MNIST dataset, whereby you can categorize handwritten digits as actual numbers. For Python, the Hello World is just getting the program to print Hello World to the screen. Generally speaking, what you want to do whenever you're presented with a new programming challenge is think, what's the hello world of this? And from there, build up your knowledge. How do you achieve hello world in Python? Well, it's really simple. The aim is to print hello world to the screen. And Python makes this super simple. There's a function in Python called print. Just write print, and then 2 parentheses to use the function. Within the parentheses, you write the value that you want to print within speech marks. Your speech marks can either be like so, or double unquoted like so. Then write what you want to print. Once you've done that, you can run your program. And there we have it. It prints to the screen. Hello world. There's another way to write in Python, and it makes it really quick to do interactive practice and development. And that is the interactive REPL. If you use Ctrl-Shift-P as a command, and then type in create terminal, and enter, you will create a terminal window at the bottom of your screen. Once in the terminal, type py and enter to activate Python. You can immediately write any Python statement or expression, and the return value will be printed to the screen immediately. For example, let's try achieving Hello World in the REPL.